Welcome to Log to Email. Today we're going to explain two very important things, which are how you can add an email to Log to Email and how you can set up forwarding. To add an email, you go here to Emails and click on Create New. From Create New, there are two options: single entry, bulk import. You choose the provider, Google, Yahoo, or Microsoft Outlook. For Microsoft, you enter the email, the password, and the 2FA. And if you want to work without a proxy, or if you have your own proxy, or if you prefer to use the log to email proxy. But for Yahoo, here we use the app password, not the email password. So you need to make sure of this point. And make sure you're using the app password, not the email password. With Yahoo, you just enter the email and the password, which is the app password. You don't need to enter the 2FA. That's for the single entry. For bulk, there's a download option, which is to download a sample CSV. You download this file. This is what it looks like: the email, password, and two-factor authentication in case you're using Outlook, and without 2FA if you're using Yahoo, and the proxy. And if you're going to use your own proxy, change this from false to true. So for example, if you have 10 emails, set all of them up to 10 as true if you're going to use your own proxy. And then you click Create. We'll select these two emails, and we'll click Start. God willing, they'll be activated within seconds. Right now, they're starting, okay? Now they're connected. We can go, for example, to Microsoft and select any two. Side. These are also connected now. So now all the connected emails will show up. Whenever you receive any email, it'll appear here in the same format. For example, this is an email coming from so-and-so to your email, along with the subject, and you'll find all the email details. If you prefer not to open Log to Email and want to set up forwarding instead, the first thing you do to set up forwarding, you go to Destinations here. And from Destinations, you just start adding the email you want to forward to. You already have three options available: email, or if you want to use Discord, you put your server's API or the channel here, and the email will be sent to your Discord. Or webhook, if you have your own API and website and want to send it there, but most users will use email. So now I'm going to use email. I'll enter my personal email and click Create. After that, you need to verify this email so we can make sure it's really yours and not spam. So I'll click on the word verify. The code has already been sent to your email. You take the code and enter it here to verify. That's it. After you add the destination, you set it to active. It will refuse to set it as active right now because we haven't added any rules. So we'll go to the rules page. Click on Create Rule. Choose the destination you want, the one you want it to go to, because you can add more than one destination. You'll choose the destination where you want the forwarding to go, and then you'll create the read. Of course, you can choose a specific account or select certain groups to forward to, but in my case, I'll choose Apply to all email accounts, and I'll create the rule. Now, this rule has become active, so I'll go to the destination here, and I'll also set this destination to active. Any email that arrives at any of my connected emails will be immediately forwarded to my email. This way, you can set up forwarding through Log to Email. God willing, in the upcoming videos, I'll explain more things about Log to Email, because there are many other features you'll get to know about step by step. Thank you all. See you in the next video.